Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to compare Evernote, Google Keep, Simplenote, Obsidian, and Notion. I'll compare their features, usability, pricing, device support, customization, and more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which platform is the right choice for your note-taking needs. First off, let's do a quick overview of each app. So Evernote has been around for a while and has built a really strong reputation for being a full-featured note-taking powerhouse. It's known for handling everything from grocery lists to research heavy projects. With advanced search, document scanning, and notebooks, it's a favorite for users who need something a little more serious. Google Keep, on the other hand, is Google's minimalistic approach to note-taking. It's fast, colorful, and super lightweight. It's not packed with features, but that's kind of the point. It's perfect for quick thoughts, checklists, and voice memos on the go. Next up is Simplenote. True to its name, Simplenote offers a distraction-free writing space that's all about plain text. It's open source, totally free, and great if you just want something straightforward with cloud sync and tagging. Obsidian is where things start getting interesting. It's designed for people who want to build their own knowledge base using linked notes. Think of it like your personal wiki. It's a local-first app with markdown support on tons of plugins. Finally, we've got Notion. Now, Notion is more than just a note-taking app. It's an all-in-one workspace. You can take notes, manage your tasks, build databases, and even design entire systems for content, goals, or project tracking. In 2025, it continues to evolve with AI features and more third-party integrations. Now let's dive into the features. So Evernote has rich formatting tools, the ability to clip web pages, add file attachments, use templates, and even scan documents with your phone camera. A big update in 2025 added collaborative whiteboards and better calendar integration. So now it's easier than ever to use for team projects. Google Keep stays simple, but has just enough features to stay useful. You can create color-coded notes, checklists, reminders, and voice memos. It syncs automatically with your Google account and integrates smoothly with Google Docs and Google Calendar. They've added a new label system in 2025 that makes organizing notes even faster, especially for users juggling multiple tasks. Simplenote keeps things text-focused. You can write notes, use Markdown for light formatting, and tag entries for easy filtering. It doesn't support images or file attachments, but in return, it stays fast and lightweight. Now this year, they've introduced real-time collaboration and dark mode improvements. Obsidian is all about linking notes. You can use backlinks, graph views, tags, and custom templates. In 2025, they've added native mobile support and expanded the plugin ecosystem dramatically. Now you can add Kanban boards, tables, calendar views, and even turn your notes into presentations. It's insanely flexible, but does require a bit of setup. Notion's feature list is massive. You can create anything from a simple note to a full project management system. Use toggles, tables, Kanban boards, calendars, and more, all in the same page. Their 2025 updates include Notion AI 2.0, which lets you summarize, rephrase, and even brainstorm within your notes. Next up, let's talk about user experience. Evernote has had a major redesign recently, and the result is a much cleaner and more responsive interface. It works across desktop, mobile, and web, and syncing is faster than ever. However, with so many features, the interface can feel a little busy for new users. Google Keep is incredibly intuitive. It looks and feels like a digital sticky note board. You open it, jot something down, and you're done. It's perfect for people who want simplicity. But if you're looking to organize long-form thoughts or detailed plans, Keep might feel a little limiting. Simplenote is as clean as it gets. There's almost nothing on the screen but your text. So it's great for writing-focused users or minimalists who want distraction-free note-taking. Syncing is seamless across all platforms, and it never feels bloated. Obsidian is powerful, but not as beginner-friendly. If you're not familiar with Markdown or linking notes, there's a learning curve. But once you get the hang of it, the flexibility is unmatched. And thanks to community themes and plugins, you can make it look and work exactly how you want. Notion has a beautiful and modern interface, but it can feel a bit slow, especially when opening large pages or using it on mobile. Still, The drag and drop system and real-time collaboration make it a favorite for teams and individuals who like things visual. Now, when it comes to cross-platform support, all 5 apps are solid, but with differences. So Evernote works well with Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, and has a solid web app. The experience is mostly consistent across devices and syncing is reliable. Google Keep also works across all platforms, and because it's tied to your Google account, it feels seamless. The mobile app is super light and responsive, and the Chrome extension makes it easy to save notes or web content instantly. Simplenote supports every major platform as well. It also has a web app and native apps for iOS, Android, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Syncing is fast and requires no setup. Obsidian is a local-first app with sync as an optional add-on. It works on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android. The Obsidian Sync service, launched back in 2021, continues to be super secure and reliable, and in 2025, they added encrypted sharing for Teams. Notion is also available on all major platforms, and their mobile experience has improved a lot over the past year. Still, the app can feel a bit heavy if you're working with big pages or lots of embedded content. Now let's talk about pricing. So Evernote offers a free tier, but it's pretty limited. You get syncing across 2 devices and basic note-taking. To unlock all features like offline access, calendar integrations, and full search, you'll need to upgrade to the personal, professional, or enterprise plan. The pricing starts around $14.99 a month in 2025. Google Keep is totally free, no premium version, no ads, no limitations. Just use your Google account and start taking notes. Simplenote is also completely free, which is pretty amazing considering how well it works. It's open source and funded by Automatic, the company behind WordPress. Obsidian is free for personal use, and you only pay if you want their Obsidian Sync service, which costs around $5 a month, or if you're using it commercially. You also get access to their vast library of free plugins either way. Notion offers a free plan that's very generous, but if you're using it in a team or you want things like admin controls, analytics, and AI features, you'll want to upgrade. Their pricing starts at about $12 per user per month for the Plus plan. So next up, let's look at how these platforms handle collaboration and sharing. So Evernote supports note sharing and real-time collaboration in its paid plans. You can share notebooks with others and assign tasks, but it's not as smooth or team-focused as Notion. Google Keep allows you to share individual notes with others who have a Google account. It's great for things like shopping lists or to-dos, but there's no team dashboard or version history. Simplenote recently added collaborative editing, so you can share notes with others by username and work on them in real time, but there's no built-in chat or comment system. Obsidian is mainly focused on solo users, but with the new encrypted sharing features in 2025, teams can collaborate on shared vaults using Obsidian Sync. It's still not as smooth as cloud-first apps, but it's improving fast. Notion is by far the best for collaboration. You can comment, mention teammates, assign tasks, and set up shared workspaces. It's perfect for both small teams and large companies managing projects and content together. So let's break down which platform might be best for you. So if you want a full-featured professional note-taking app with excellent search and media support, then Evernote is a great choice, especially if you're okay with paying for premium features. If you're after speed and simplicity, then Google Keep is hard to beat. It's perfect for quick notes and integrates perfectly with the rest of the Google ecosystem. If all you need is a clean, distraction-free place to write and tag notes, then Simplenote is perfect and it won't cost you a cent. If you're a power user, researcher, or someone who loves knowledge management, then Obsidian is a great choice. It takes a bit of setup, but the payoff is massive. And if you want more than just note-taking, something that can organize your entire life or your business, then Notion is where you should be looking. It does so much more than just take notes. And that's it for today's comparison. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.